People today want to make more money because they want more life freedom, so they can use their money and time however they like. Most people don't want to work their whole lives like their parents did. They don't want to go to school and get a job. They want to be free. And today, freedom is achieved by starting your own business. A common issue is not having the money, experience, or knowledge to successfully build a business. Insert artificial intelligence, or Chatgpt, for example, which allows you to start a business simply and free. For people that don't know about AI or artificial intelligence and may be a bit freaked out about it, just go to OpenAI.com and try Chatgpt for free. Create you an account and see for yourself. Now, I'm going to show you just a few ways you could use this tool to start a business and make some extra money. Please be aware that anything you do is still going to require dedication, consistency, and effort. So don't think you're going to just get successful overnight. Also, further research is required for any of the ideas presented in this video. The first thing you could do is you can use Chatgpt to write and sell ebooks. They say about 19% of the books that are sold, especially in 2021, were ebooks. Some $16 billion were sold. They also say that in 2023, ebook sales are looking to grow consistently at a rate of 3%. With Chatgpt, you can seize this opportunity and earn extra money by creating and selling ebooks of your own. Simply go to Chatgpt chat box after creating an account, of course, and type in, for example, write me a 20-page ebook about self-care. And in a matter of seconds, the AI will write you an entire book that you can use and brand. Or if you don't want to write your own ebook, you could look for people who are willing to pay you to do the writing. According to Google, a book ghostwriter could cost you anywhere between $10,000 to $70,000, give or take. So if you had a program that writes quality books for you instantly, how much do you think you could make? The second thing you could do is you could write scripts. You can start a YouTube channel, a podcast, or you can market your services to people who are in need of a script writer. Simply have Chatgpt write you a script of your choice. You can make it as detailed and as specialized as you want. For people who actually love writing and who would prefer to do it themselves, no worries, you can use the Chatgpt function as a way to inspire some creativity and beat writer's block. For others, you may want to just have people pay you to write for them, and then you see how many clients you can retain. It's completely up to you. You can write articles. Let's say you want to grow a blog, or even better, you position yourself as a freelance writer and then you hire out your services to bloggers who need good quality content written for their websites. Of course, you're using your Chatgpt to write these articles. What you need to understand is that the work produced by this program is high quality. It's spell checked and it's professional. Not to mention it's copyright free and open for you to use and to monetize. You could do email marketing campaigns. You can start an email marketing business where you create marketing campaigns for companies selling a product or a service. Let's say you found a company who needs help selling their waist trainers. You can charge them $2,000 a month, and all you're doing is telling the AI bot to write you a 10-part marketing email about waist trainers to women 30 years older and up. The bot will instantly generate the emails, and now you're able to help your clients make more sales. Imagine doing that multiple times a month with several clients all paying you about $2,000 a month. Wow. So here are just some few capabilities of what the Chatgpt chat box can do for you and how it can make you money. The chat box capacity to provide solutions to all questions has truly amazed people all around the world. Every day, more and more people are taking advantage of tools like this to build the life that they want. So why aren't you? The idea is to start a business and use the chat box as a way to scale it, as a tool. It's your first employee. It doesn't matter which method you choose, just get started on your journey. All right, guys, that's all for today. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well. For now, bye.